honor of the 4th of July, I want to make my red, white, and blue drink. So let's get started. This is just ice that we crushed with lemonade on top. And I'm gonna put my blue raspberry syrup, about an ounce of rum. So the rum's in. Stir that in a little bit. Now some more of our slush. Pineapple syrup on top of that. And just kind of stir that just a little bit. Got your cherry on top. Blend it a little bit, try to tap into a little bit of our blue and our rum down there, because we want it to taste good, but we want it to have spirit. And there you have it, our red, white, and blue drink. Happy 4th of July, America. Cheers.